Okay, this is 31 Stewarts Knob. This is the community. These are 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, single car garage townhomes. Right behind, through the woods a little bit, is another part of Neuse River townhomes. They are 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, no garage, part of the same community. This road here is Stewarts Knob, house right there, and then down there is more single family homes. And there's your mailboxes right at the end of by the last townhome there. So you have a nice covered porch area. And here's your single car garage, or your storage unit, whichever. I laugh about that. Some people will put their cars and their motorcycles in here, or some people use it as storage. I'm going to transition as we walk into the front door. Okay, walking into the front door. As we walk in, to our immediate right is a door to the garage, and then we have stairs. This is the only carpet in there. We replaced that with a nicer upgraded carpet than what was in here originally. The flooring downstairs and upstairs is this gray luxury vinyl plank. As you walk in, this area right here is a dining room. You can set it up for, any of a number of things. Kind of a flex space. So we have door left, door right. Door right, half bathroom. And door left is pantry. Stainless steel appliances, microwave, granite countertops, newly installed tile backsplash, dishwasher. Door to your outdoor space. I'll get a look at that in a minute. Take a look outside. For a townhouse, it has a decent sized yard, nice patio space here in storage unit, storage area here. Neighbor has a little basketball goal set up. We'll go up, take a look upstairs. Come to the top of the stairs. It's where your washer dryer are. I could put the door on, but the door won't close. They're very nice washer dryers. I can push it back a little bit, but still would have a hard time getting the door closed. 4-bedroom. There is the primary master. We'll get that last. Bedroom 1, bedroom 2, full bathroom, bedroom 4. Go here first. This is the second of the bedrooms, the largest of the bedrooms. It's a pretty large room. Queen size. I mean, you probably can even put a king in here, but it'd be tight with the king. This door right here is linen closet. And you do have a pull-down attic. There's your pull-down attic. You can put holiday decorations up, Halloween, Christmas, Easter, There's enough room for that up there. Step-in shower tub combination. Bedroom 3, bedroom 2, I think these are 10 by 11 bedrooms. This one and the next one are basically the same size, but just flip-flopped, and they face the backyard. Closets are a little bit smaller than the first bedroom we looked at. Head into the primary. And this is literally a suite. I call it the sweet suite. It's sweet. Nice sized walk-in closet again. Yeah. Two sinks, toilet, another step-in shower. You keep going, and this is huge space. It is easily fit a king in here, and lots of furniture. It's a big room. Faces the front. There is a sports club membership that comes with the membership. You gotta show your lease to the FSC Sports Club in Clayton, and there's another one out off of, another one that's farther out, but it's a swimming pool. They have weights, I think classes there, and it's part of the HOA fees that you do not pay, the landlord does. And that's it.